of all, we have to plug the 240 power outlet to the power source and turn it on. Okay, this is the miniature circuit breaker to break the circuit in case any emergencies happen. So you just have to turn it on, and you will see there's a display in the OLED. So now it is showing whether it is on manual override and the temperature sensors reading and the humidity sensors reading. And these are the manual override switches in case your network is not available. So let's jump into the working principle of Groot Smart Hub. This is the Blink app where you have to install in Apple App Store or Google Play Store. And these are the interface for this system. This is the reading of humidity, and this is the reading of temperature, and these are the controlling button for fertilizer pump, pesticide pump, and the lights in your farm. This is the important thing where it resembles the solenoid valve which is fixed in your piping in order to irrigate and to farm and to mix. And these are the timer where you can just adjust the timer over here. This is the start time and this is the stop time. So you can adjust the time over here to control the on and off period of your fertilizer pump and your mixing. So now let's test this thing. Okay, here you can see now it's showing manual override off. So this is the switch for fertilizer pump where you can manually override it. So if I turn this on, you can see the manual override is on, and you can see in the blink the red LED will light up. This means your pump is working. So when I turn this off, it will turn to off and the red LED will stop lighting up. So let's test the working principle of this button. As you can see over here, these are the power outlets of your devices. This one is for pesticide pump, this one is for fertilizer pump, and this one is for lights, and these both are for solenoid valves involving mixing and irrigation. As you can see in this video, you can't physically test the output of this plug button. So I'll just turn on, and you can see in the display it will show each of the pump on and each of the device is turning on. So if I press on this on button, you can see the display is showing third pump on. And if I click on this pesticide button, you can see it's showing pest pump is on. And if I turn on the light, you can see the lights on. By the way, there is no wiring between my smartphone and this Groot Smart Hub, so it all works on internet. And next, if I click this irrigation button, it will show it's mixing. Now it is in mixing mode. And if I click the mixing button again, now it's showing irrigation. So now it's irrigating. So this solenoid valve involving mixing and irrigation works either way. If you turn on irrigation, the irrigating solenoid pump will be normally open, or it will be open. The valve will be open. If I click on this mixing, the mixing solenoid valve will be turned on and the irrigation solenoid valve will be turned off. So this is the overall control panel of Groot Smart Hub. And over here you can fix all your power outlets, including your pump, your lights, and your solenoid valves. So this Groot Smart Hub works independently without any support of wiring or any support of physical interference. It all works through internet. Thank you.